Hello guys, so in the last video, well actually in between video, I accidentally broke the plate, so we're just be using everything but the plate from now on. So we're doing the bobblehead thing.
Let's see what will happen. Let's see. Nothing seems to be happening.
And if this will also okay. I'll open it.
Let's see what happens.
Nearly almost nothing. Let's try
Seems
it
like
again.
Fred is indestructible.
Now I'm gonna
We need to
try
try again.
I'm gonna try it in a different spot. Whether he actually comes. And then yeah.
Let's see. It better actually do something.
Yeah.
Because if this doesn't do something this time, then we'll just
And
we will
remember,
try Fred
remember
again.
Buzz Lightyear from the last episode? Yeah, we're microwaving him again.
And we're not gonna microwave Fred again if nothing happens.
Actually, live, but we will.
Yeah.
Not for yes, we are kids.
Yes, we are kids.
But we'll never tell you our name.
Never. It looks like it's smoking. It's smoking. That's good.
You're right, Tyler. And I'm trying to reenact the news from Family Guy.
Open it. Open.
What?
Open it.
Why?
I'll open it. Wow, that's a lot of smoke.
Ooh-wee!
That's a lot of smoke. Seems like we finally destroyed Fred.
I can melt his head.
Look at that. Look at that. He
That
got
looks
mad.
painful. Now this.
Did you see what happened
Look
to
at
Fred?
that. That's what is left of Fred.
Oh, what happened to poor Fred?
He got microwaved to death. Death, sister.
Now we're gonna try Buzz Lightyear again.
Yes, and hopefully we'll melt him like him.
Wait,
Everyone.
put that back in.
Now,
Let's close it and set it for 1 minute.
no. Oh, hold on.
Oh, we killed the microwave, I think. I think it's dead.
How do you? What do you think? What do you mean by that?
Pause your video.
Oh, it seems like
Our microwave is broken.
temporarily.
See you in
Unfortunately, that's the end. That might be the end of this series.
Sorry, guys.
But I might make a new series, and and I'll figure out. Maybe I'll blend stuff and drink it. Who knows?